Hello. Take a look at this chart. Look at the weekly fund net flows. Minus $31 billion left the mutual fund over the past 6 weeks. That is the most money that went out since 2016. That's a lot of money. S&P is down 1.1%. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is from January to February. How much money went in and how much money went out? You see U.S. equity? Boom, 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 boom. Where is it going? International equity. Boom, boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada bing. So, and also in taxable bonds and municipal bonds, ultra safe investments. Why? Well, because the market is up already 6% since the beginning of the year, because they are hoping, believe it or not, that the Fed is going to pivot. Is it truly that possibility that the Fed is going to pivot when you see unemployment so low, when you see inflation not so much under control? It's still high. And by the way, they're still hiking rates, and we should start seeing some inflation numbers coming in pretty soon. So be careful that you believe the pivot stories, because a lot of people do not.